Okay, folks, this will be an interesting one. Perhaps a little minimalist, for all we know. I just don't know how this is going to turn out. It should look quite nice, I do think. I don't know how this is going to be size-wise. We'll soon find out. I'm not going to go all the way. Okay, let's see what we have. I have here a cable, USB to, I forgot what they call that. USB-C, I think it is, or USB something. I fucking forgot, folks. I don't know. That's a bit of a nuisance not knowing what that is. You know, I'm a person of technology myself, and it's a bit of a silly thing to kind of forget what that actually is. So, but my memory's pretty shot anyway. You got to understand, I had problems with my memory, and it's a real pain in the ass. I thought that would have gone into my long-term memory, remembering this, but for some reason I've fucking forgot. USB-A, I think it is. USB to USB something, I don't know. I'll probably remember it later, or probably ask someone. Oh, I can't go to JB Hi-Fi now because the COVID-19 lockdown. We can't have shops like JB Hi-Fi, can't keep doing business anymore. Now that looks interesting. I was hoping that would show up on the piece. But yeah, it's a real shame that we can't go shopping anymore at these places like we used to before this COVID-19 lockdown that we're now finding ourselves in. It's like everything's all to do with COVID. COVID has become a real pain in the ass. You just can't have fun anymore as much as you used to. It's really proven to be difficult. So, wondering if we're going to make this into something different. Actually, no, we're not going to have any black. This is the feature of this piece we're doing. I'm going to make it a blue colour, even though I hate the word blue because it makes me think of anxiety and depression. But it's a nice colour, I must admit. Yeah, that looks really subtle. I was hoping it was going to be more blue than this. Don't know. You can see there's no black in this. If you look closely, it's hard to see, but the colours do blend quite well. Maybe we're going to do a different one. We're going to go green. the environmental colour. I don't know how this is going to look. Yeah, the green looks really nice. I do like it, actually. I do like that overall green look. I think that's going to be the centre of the job. It's going to be a very minimalist piece, to be honest. It's going to look very minimalist. But I know there's a lot of people out there who are into what's known as minimalist art. And I've used green, which I haven't used for a while, and it's a nice colour. Actually, I'll probably have to show what use the original size. I probably won't, but I think I might have to. Because of the odd original size and enlargement, that they don't go together too well often, and they cause problems. So sometimes part of the image is cut off, which is such a pain. Let's see how we go with this. These are our mirrored pieces. I don't know how we're going to line these up except at the end there. This is a very, very, very minimalist piece. It's not my cup of tea, this minimalist aesthetic, but the colour looks nice. Anyway, that's come up looking interesting. I think now we can call this demo quits.